Hello everyone. My name is Huma. I am from Raval Convent School. Today I will help you in learning how to write informal letters. There was a time when writing letters was the simplest way of getting in touch with people living far from us. Technology has now given us easier modes of communication like cell phones and email. Still, there may be situations when we required to write letter. To whom do we write informal letters? Informal letter is written to somebody that you know, such as pen pals, friends, family members and relatives. Now the question arises, why do we write informal letters? First, asking for or giving advice. Second, asking for or giving information. Third, asking for or giving opinion or suggestion. Fourth, inviting somebody for an occasion. Fifth, accepting or declining the invitation. Sixth, congratulating somebody. Expressing condolence. Eighth, apologizing for something. This is the format of an informal letters. Informal letter will have the central address at the top on the left hand side followed by the date you are writing the letter on, then no commas at the end of the lines in address, date, salutation, subscription. Date can be written as I have given you example. In the message, the tone should be personal and friendly. There should be clarity along with the correctness of grammar, spelling and punctuation in the body of the letter. Now, how can you start your letter? Ask about the personal health. How are you? I hope you are fine. Or I hope you and your families are in the best health. Replying a letter. Thank you for your letter. I am fine here and glad to know that you are fine too. Sorry for the late reply. I am glad to hear that you are doing fine. I am so sorry to hear that bad news. Stating the purpose. The reason I am writing this letter is to tell you about, or I am writing this letter to tell you know about my opinion or suggestion on. Now, how to end your letter? Closing remarks. I hope you will consider my advice, suggestion. Take care. Or I hope you will reply to me soon. Bye for now. Or I am looking forward to hearing from you soon. That is all for now. Bye. Let's take an example which makes you more clear how to write a letter. For example, write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the lovely birthday gift that sent for you. First of all, what you have to write your sender address. After that, date. Then, my dear uncle, I thank you very much for your letter and the beautiful present you sent for me on my birthday. This is a dream present and it is very thoughtful of you to send it to me. Art books, such high quality brush, colors and a mixed plate and a set of books to guide. Wow! What more could I ask for to flame my passion for painting? Uncle, I really wonder who told you about my interest in painting. I always thought this was a secret known only to myself. To me, your action is no lesser than a divine blessing. I am confident I shall be ready with some good painting. When you visit us next, convey my senior's regards to Auntie, your affectionately Piyush Kumar. I hope from this video you came to know how to write informal letters. Thank you.